Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. So I hope all of you are doing great out there. Today's video we are going to discuss about how to make table in HTML. Okay, so table is needed for displaying your products or something like that. Sometimes you need to show the prices of each item. So in those cases we will be making what? Table. So table making in HTML is very easy. So you have to start with table tag. So table, automatically it gives the closing tag because table is a container tag. We know already what is a container tag, right? Okay, so inside the table you have to make a tr, or you have to give a tr tag. Tr is also a container tag. Tr stands for table row. Okay, so tr defines one row of the table. So inside the tr, either you can have th or you can have td. Th stands for table heading and td stands for table data. Okay, so first normally we will have heading for the table. So I will add a th for heading. Then I will write inside this one a roll number. Okay, so in this tr, in this row I have a I have a heading called roll number. So it will make a column with the text roll number. So th, I'm giving name of student, then th again, then I'm giving result. Okay, so I'm finished with that tr. So my table I'm planning with 3 columns. The first column is roll number, and the second column is name of student, and the third column is result. So I will add one more tr. Okay, so this is the next row of the table. In this I'm going to add td. Td stands for table data. So I'm giving one roll number 1, and I go at the end and another td, and I'm giving John, and I go at the end and press enter, another td here, and I'm giving past. Past means what is its result. So when you look at the browser, it will be coming like, it will be having heading roll number, and below the heading it will be having number 1, name of student, then John, then result, then past. So let's see that. So I will save, hit the save button, go to my browser. When I refresh, you can see roll number, name of student, result. So number 1, John, past. So you might have noticed that where I give roll number, name of student and result, which I give inside the th, automatically comes as what? Bold, because they are table headings. Okay, and the other things are not bold, right? Okay, so let's go back to our code and add some more data. So I'm gonna copy this one down. So I have copied the things. So I have copied the things down. You can see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So now you can see I have 5 TRs. That means I have 5 rows for my table, and all of the rows are filled with the TDs. That means all of the rows are filled with data. I will save the file, switch back to the browser, and when I refresh, you can see, wow, this is how you make the table. But you might have noticed that even if you make the table, it doesn't come in tabular format. Correct? Okay, so this is not coming in tabular. It is coming in tabular format, but there is no grid in that one. There is no lines passing through the table. Normally all the table we see in our life is having lines passing through it, right? To differentiate the columns and rows, the lines are passing through. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like I'm going to check how we can give some lines or the grids for this table. So I'll switch back to my code. So the grids or the lines can be done by using CSS property. So I'm going to add a style tag. You know how to write internal style, right? So style inside this one, I'm going to give table. Okay, then I open the curly butterfly bracket. I'm saying border 1px. So you have to say the border property is used to give the line. So I'm saying border 1px solid black. So what does that mean? First you have to say the properties. The property to give the border is the border property. 1px is the size of the border. Solid means the solid border, thick line, normal line. Then black is the color. So let's save it and went back to the browser and refresh. So table has got the border, but there is no border for the TD and there is no border for the TR also. Sorry, TD and TH also, there is no border. So it generally got an outside border. So I want to give border for TD and TH also. So what I'm going to do is like I will say like TH, then I will open the butterfly bracket and I'm giving the same thing, border 1px solid black. Done. Save. And when I go back here, when I refresh, oh, my TH table heading has got now borders. Okay, and now the problem is like we want the border for the TD also, so we don't want to repeat this again and again. So what I'm going to do is like here you can call more than one elements. So I'm giving TH comma TD. TH comma TD means what? Apply this border for both TH and TD. So I save this one, switch back to the browser. All the TDs and TH have got now border. It's very easy stuff, right? Okay, nice, good. Okay, so now you can see each element have got border like separate boxes. You can see it's like an Excel cell. I want straight line, I don't want to make it as double line. So I can go back here and I'm giving here border dash collapse, and I'm saying collapse. Now let's go back in here and see what is happening. So the border is now collapsed. It's not now collapsed. Why? Because I didn't save that, so I need to repeat this inside the table also. I'll go back to the browser and refresh. Now the border is collapsed. Collapsed border means what? It's a straight single line border, not like border for each elements, right? Okay, so now the table border is nice. Okay, so what I want to do is like for the table I want to make the border a little more thick. So I will give 3px. Let's try giving 3px and go back to the browser. Oh wow, the outside border is now 3px. And the outside border color I want to change to red. Okay, so I will go back and check. Wow, this is now changed to red. Inside border I want blue color, so I will give here blue only, then save and go back in there. When I refresh, it's in blue color now. Okay, now so when you give the border, you are giving basically you are giving the size of the border and type of the border and color of the border. Type you can have solid, dotted, groove, something like that. That in detail we will learn in CSS. So I'm changing this to dotted. Let's see what will happen. So when I go back in here, when I refresh, wow, this is now becomes a dotted border. It's very small, that's why it's hard to see. So now it is like dotted border, right? Easy to give the border, right? Okay, now you can see the content of the table is really congested. Congested means they are staying very close to each other. So what I'm going to do is like I want to give some space inside inside each box of the table. That means for the th and td, inside I need some spacing. That can be done with a particular thing called padding. So I'm giving padding 10 px, and let's see what is happening. When I go back in here, I refresh. Wow, so the padding is now 10 px. So you can see padding means from this line to the content, how much is the space, that is the padding. Very nice, very easy, right? Okay, so now the table is very small now. I just want to increase the size, little bit size of the table. So I can give table, generally for the table, and I'm giving width around 45%. Let's see, it will go bigger or smaller. So I go back in here. When I refresh, it becomes 45% width. 45% means 45% of the browser window, not the 45% of the table. And now I want to move the table little bit away from the margin, so I can give the margin property also. So margin dash left I will give, and I'm giving 20 px. Okay, so that means left side margin of the table should be 20 px. So go back here, refresh. So the table is moved to 20 px from the margin. So this is how you make the table. So you can have more enhancements, like we already have learned something in CSS, how to give the color, font style for the table, TD, TH and all. So I'm going to try all those things. For TH alone, I want to give some styles because this is the heading, so I want to make my heading little more special. So only for the TH, I'm giving color to red. And what is color? Color is used to change the text color of the item. So background dash color is what? Yellow. Fine. Then I'm going to give font family Calibri. Right? So I save it. Go back to the table. When I refresh, yeah, it is changed. Correct? Okay, so that's cool. This is how you make the table in HTML. So basically you need to remember only four main tags, right? Table, which is a container for everything. TR stands for one table row, so you have to add as many TR, depends on how many rows you want in your table. And inside the TR, either you can have TH or TD. So TH stands for table heading, so it will come automatically bold and dark letters, right? And TD is for the table data. And after that, for giving the border for the table, inside the style we have given border, how much size and what is the type and what is the color, and we collapse the border and we change the size of the table, increase the width of the table to 45%, and we moved the table a little bit away from the browser window, and we have given dotted blue border for table heading and table data, and collapse that border also, and we give the padding to get a little more space between the content, and we give the color red for the TH and background color yellow for the TH, and change the font of the TH to Calibri. So this is how you make the table and furnish information in your HTML web page, HTML5 web page. And the table can be used as a container for many things, not only the text. For example, if you want to arrange your images in a special format, in that case also table will help you. You can make a table and put the images inside that one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you understand the lesson, please make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you understand the lesson, please do let me know. Give me the opportunity to personally congratulate you by commenting below the video, and you will see the link to the complete playlist HTML tutorial below this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.